Hello my lovely lock minions. We're gonna do a tutorial of the fine apple with a scarf. This is quick and easy and it's not gonna take that long. I already have two pieces right here that are already 2 strand twists out the way so it can frame my face. And then the rest of my locks, I'm gonna put in a high ponytail. I'm not going to double band it. I'm just gonna have the ponytail hold my locks in place. So I just stick it in like this. Now I'm gonna take my scarf and I'm going to cover it over my ears and make sure when I tie it that the 2 bangs that I have are outside of the scarf. Okay, once I tie that knot, I flip this back. I'll make sure I have these knots here. And then I bring this extra cloth, extra scarf, extra material, extra. Hear all about it. And then I take the scarf and I go around to the back and tie it off. So it should be looking something like this. You can fix it along the way. Start fixing it, tucking it, squeezing it. Then as it comes around, I'm going to tie my scarf in an upward motion. We're going up. Up. And then when I get close to the end, I just tie it off. And then there you go. The quickest hairstyle ever. Now, if you have like some of these parts out, you always can like readjust the scarf so that part's not out. Doesn't really bother me. It's my hair, my life, how I feel. I feel good. I feel good. And there you go. Your fine apple lock tutorial. Now you can do this any way you want to. However, this is just an idea to get things going and for you to experiment with your hair. So don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come back to my channel. Locks for you to love. Bye.